Hi everyone, my name is Trisa. You can call me Risa. Welcome to Anju Risa channel. If you are running out of face mask, you should try this face mask cover. It's really useful to extend the life of your face mask, and the best thing is it's reversible. If you love anything about handicraft, consider subscribing and turn on the notification. So to make the face mask cover, the first thing you have to do is make sure my face mask size is the same as yours. My face mask is 7 inches or 18 centimeters by 4 inches or 10 centimeters. If your face mask is the same size or smaller, you can use the size I provided. But if your face mask is larger, you may want to modify the size a little. Prepare the fabric for your face mask cover. I'm using cotton fabric. You can use any fabric you want as long as it's comfortable for you. The size is 21 cm by 22 cm. This is the size in inch and centimeter, but I suggest you to use centimeter measurement because we need to have precise measurement. So the face mask will fit into this cover. We will start by ironing the fabric. Fold the fabric about 1/4 inch and iron the fabric. Do the same to the other side. Mark the fabric about 5.5 cm from the edge. Once again, I suggest you to use centimeter measurement because we need the exact measurement. Fold the fabric with the back sides together, then iron the fabric. Then fold the fabric right at the mark we just draw here. Iron the fabric again. Do the same to the other side and fold right at the mark. Next is to press the center like this. Fold this part. I'm going to pin this. Now I will sew this part to hold the crease. Prepare another piece with the same measurement and place the fabrics with the front sides together and sew these parts to join the fabrics. Turn the fabric inside out. And iron the fabric for the last time, I promise. Sew about 1 mm here to have a nice finish. Our face mask cover is finished. And you can just slide the face mask inside. Thanks for watching. If you find this video useful, give me a thumbs up and share this video. If you hate this video, just hit the dislike button and comment down what you don't like about this video. Or perhaps, if you have any question, write in the comment below. See you in my next video. Bye!